Hey everybody, it's Ben from Unleashed to tell you all about catboarding and guide you through the experience. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, how do you book a catboarding? Well, pretty simple. Go to our website, unleashedmadison.com, just two words put together, unleashedmadison.com, and you go ahead and click the Book Now button, or there's a button in the upper right-hand corner, log in and sign up. That'll get you to the same spot. You're going to want to create an account for yourself, the human, and then add your pet. One file per pet, and you can add mini cats, or if you have dogs, or if you have any other type of pet, you can add those to your file as well. And you can, from there, go to request a boarding and add the pets that you want to add for the boarding. In this case, of course, we're talking about cats. And we will get the request. Our staff will review it. If we have any questions, we'll give you a call and talk through it. Otherwise, we will just go ahead and confirm the boarding, and you'll get an email confirmation either way. Now, if you don't like the internet very much, you can certainly give us a call. Phone number there at the bottom of the screen. So what do you need? What's required? Well, updated vaccinations, very, very important. Cat needs to have the updated FVRCP and rabies vaccinations. If your cat doesn't have it, can't board with us, so it definitely is required. Also, we ask that you bring enough food for the length of the stay, okay? If we have to go to our cat kennel food, which we do have on hand, it's okay, but it can lead to some GI distress, and we just don't want your cat to have to go through that, and we don't want to have to go through it either, so please bring enough food for the length of the stay for the boarding. Also, any medications that are necessary. That can be oral, it can be topical, or it can be an injection. We can do any of those. We'll ask for all the instructions we need when you check in, make sure we have everything correct. Now, if you have anything that aids your cat in taking medicine, like peanut butter or cheese or meat, please bring that as well. We want to create the environment just close to the home experience as possible for your cat. So please bring those as well. And again, we'll take the full instructions for both feeding and giving medications so we can ensure a good experience for your cat here at Unleashed. What do we provide? Food and water bowls, blankets, and litter boxes. Okay, we don't need you to bring any of that stuff because we have it. And it's just best that way. I mean, when we talk about blankets, sometimes you want to bring your own blanket, but things can happen and we can have mishaps and misplacements of some of those items, so that we prefer that we use our own, which we have plenty of. So just the food, just the shots and vaccinations, and we'll be all set. What will a typical day look like for your cat? Well, that's a good question. We have Chicken Wing here to aid us through a sort of a visual of what the cat condo experience is like. You can see a big window there, lets in plenty of light. We have a nice big window in the cat room that lets in plenty of sunshine. So during the day, you have plenty of access to sunlight and things to look at for your cat in the cat room. Also, a couple of different levels which cats like, and a couple of different areas where the cat can go to hide if they want to get away from that big window. So the cat condos are a pretty nice experience from that standpoint. You can see more of Chicken Wing here. That's our family cat, by the way. His name's Chicken Wing, which should be a lesson to you. Don't ever let your kids name your cat, okay? Just a little advice there. But anyway, you can see where Chicken Wing has the opportunity to look around and have a good time there. And obviously, that is what the experience will be like for your cat. Now, there are some enhancements that you can choose as well. One-on-one playtime with a handler in the room. That's for 30 minutes. You get to play with a human. If cats like other humans, that might be a good one to choose. Also, free playtime in the cat room for an hour. Let's take a look at what that looks like here with Chicken Wing on the cat tree, one of two that we have in the room, and a chance to look out the window, chance to stretch the legs and play around a little bit. You can add that to your boarding as well. And we also offer a text update, which a lot of people like to take advantage of to see how your cat's doing. We'll give you the update with pictures and let you know exactly what the experience and how it's going for your cat during their stay here at Unleashed. Important things to remember: cats act differently depending on the cat. They might come home and not be themselves for a couple days, a few days. That's totally normal. Happens all the time. It's a big experience for a cat, as you can imagine, to go and stay at another place for any length of time. So they might come home, not quite be themselves, but they'll return to normal. Don't worry about that. Also, how do we charge for boarding? Important to know. Works a lot like a hotel stay for humans, okay? So the first day is always charged, and then the final day will be charged depending on what time your cat is picked up. So if it's in our morning window between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m., no charge for that day. If it's in our afternoon window between 4 and 6 p.m., you will get charged for that final day. Automatic 2 days of charges if you're staying from Saturday morning to Sunday afternoon, or 3 days if you stay anytime Friday through Sunday afternoon. So if you have any questions or want to talk about anything, absolutely feel free to contact us. Unleashedmadison.com, as I mentioned before, that's our website. You can use our chatbot at the bottom right-hand corner of the website. We're always chatting with a lot of our customers through that tool. Also, email info@unleashedmadison.com. You can text us at our phone number there, or you can call us if you're old-fashioned. Just kidding. You want to have a conversation and actually get some more details, go ahead and give us a call. That's not a problem. If we don't catch you right away live, we will certainly get back to you and really make your experience a good one here, and that is what we want to do when you bring your cat to Unleashed. So that's a little bit of insight into what a boarding stay will look like for your cat here at Unleashed.